Hi there, National Master Don Broca here, and today we'll continue checking out the several training tools that we have at the MChess training room. So, first of all, I would like to check the Advantage Capitalization, where we are going to be presented with several positions that we had with a very big advantage and we failed to win. So let's start. For example, right here, I think I remember. Of course, I have seen it before because this comes from my own games. But I think that simply taking, I would have been able to win this one. And of course, the engine will keep playing up until checkmate. But here, even National Master Broca can win it. So let's go for another training option. So practice visualization. Well, here we are going to be presented with several positions where we have to use our memorization skills. So first of all, we're going to be staring at this position and okay, I think I'm ready. We are going to be clicking the purple button and deliver a check, but not made. So we decide to play Rook A7 and we made it. We are going to be presented with another questions like how many undefended pieces have one or the other side, but that's pretty cool. And we also have the intuition trainer where we are going to be seeing sequences where one of the parts commit a mistake, and we're going to have to tell where the mistake was played. So here, that plays pawn takes, bishop d3, knight f6, rook b1, castle. Okay, could you spot the mistake? Let's go over. I'm pretty sure that here we could play for a better line. So here we take bishop to 3. Yeah, of course. Now queen takes b2 would be a huge advantage for black. So I'm gonna say that bishop d3 was a mistake, and all right, it was correct. And the last for this video, we are going to practice the defense. So here we are going to have positions where we have to play with a bit of care because we have an opportunity to deliver, or not to deliver mate, but to win, but we have to be a bit cautious. So here I think king h2, we'll see check. How to defend here? I think there is no danger playing g3. Okay, and we have neutralized the black pieces and we have several opportunities to attack the black king. So these are just a couple of the training experiences that we can have the MChess, but I'm pretty sure we are going to find several other very interesting and fun training tools. See you in the next video.